Hello, beautiful soul. Have you been saving your workbook that you want to share with your clients on Google Drives and then never finding the links again? And sometimes when you send them, they can't open the file or something like that. Let's change all that. With OneTech, you can simplify it all. I'm going to share my screen and show you how you can download a workbook from Canva and upload it to OneTech and then share that link with ease with anyone you like. Okay, so we are here. Let's say I've created this stunning workbook that I want to give to my friends, my clients. I am going to click on share in the top right corner. I'm going to click on download. I'm going to select PDF. You have two different options, standard or print. If you want high resolution, this is going to be a bigger file size. But if you are just doing it for emailing, then this PDF standard would be fine. It's going to grab pages 1 through 17, and it's just going to call it this name. That's fine. I'm going to click on download, and the file will be downloaded to my downloads folder. Let's go there. Okay. And right here. And if I'm happy with the name of the file, that's fine. If I want to change it, I certainly can. But now you're going to go into OneTech. You're going to click on media storage. Please create yourself a folder here where you're going to drop this content. If it's part of a specific program, you can create a specific folder for that. For creating a folder, you just click on this little folder button and you give it a name. I'm going to say, let's say I have a folder for all workbooks. You would want to do the program name potentially. Click on save. Now that I have this workbooks folder created, I'm going to open that and I am going to upload this file from my downloads into my media storage on OneTech. Once it's here, I'm going to click on the three dots and I am going to click on get link. Now, this is a link that I would be sharing with people. This is a live link. This is how they can get access to it. But let's say I want to create a pretty link so it doesn't look like storage dot Google APIs and all of that. And I want to create a short link for it. You can certainly do that as well. For creating a short link, you're going to click on settings in the bottom left of your screen, and you are going to scroll down until you see domains and URL redirects. You are going to come to this screen. You'll click on URL redirects. And from here, you are going to add a new redirect by clicking on add a redirect. If you have a domain already connected, you can use that. Let's say I want to make this one my main domain, which is Simplify One Thing. And I just want it to be whatever the workbook is called. I'm going to say /workbook, whatever the program is. We'll just say live stream workbook. And under leave this on URL, redirect type, and under the target URL, you will just paste the link of the PDF. If you click on add redirect, now it has created a new link called simplifyonething.com/livestream workbook. So let's test that out. If I just come in here and I say simplifyonething.com/livestream workbook and hit enter, and there you are. People will be able to access that. Hope this helps. And just like that, you are now tech smart. Follow me for more at Simplify One Thing.